Good morning, I'm Jing Li from the Department of Endocrinology and Metabolism in the first affiliated hospital of China Medical University. Today, I would like to give a lecture about endocrine system and hormones. The term endocrine was named by startling to contrast with those active substances secreted into a lumen, such as the gastrointestinal tract. The endocrine system is a chemical messenger system consisting of some special cells and a number of glands that can secrete those hormones directly into the circulatory system, not by ducts. The latter can be carried towards distant target organs. In those endocrine glands, usually there are no ducts but with obvious vascularity. Now, let us see what are the hormones. The term hormone is derived from a Greek verb. This phrase captures the dynamic properties of hormones and their ability to elicit a cascade of physiological response by acting on specific target organs. Hormones are some signaling molecules produced by glands or cells, and they are transported by the circulatory system to target distant organs to regulate physiology and behavior. In humans, the major endocrine glands include hypothalamus, pituitary, ovaries, testes, thyroid glands, parathyroid glands, and adrenal glands. The hypothalamus is the neural control center for all endocrine systems, belong to a neuroendocrine organ. This figure has shown the main endocrine glands and those hormones secreted by them. For example, the anterior lobe of pituitary gland can secrete serotropin, TSH, corticotropin, ACTH, and so on, whereas the posterior part can secrete antidiuretic hormone, ADH. Glucocorticoid, aldosterone, and catecholamine are all produced in adrenal gland. Hormones have diverse chemical structures, mainly consist of four classes. First, proteins or peptides like growth hormone, insulin. Secondly, amine like catecholamine. The third is amino acid analogs like thyroid hormones. Lastly, steroids like cortisol, estrogen, vitamin D. In the endocrine system, a number of glands that signal each other in sequence are usually referred as an axis of feedback regulation. For example, the hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis, HPT axis. The hypothalamus releases a hormone called serotropin-releasing hormone, TRH, which stimulates the pituitary to release thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH. In turn, TSH goes to the thyroid and stimulates it to release thyroid hormones. T4 and T3 are able to reach pituitary and the hypothalamus, then inhibit the secretion of TSH and TRH. This kind of control belongs to negative feedback regulation. Several important feedback systems are mediated via the hypothalamus and the pituitary. In addition to HPT axis, there are two another important axes. The first is hypothalamus pituitary adrenal regulation axis, where CRH, ACTH cortisol secretion. The second is hypothalamus pituitary gonades regulation axis, where GnRH, RHFSH, and sex hormones, estrogen in female and testosterone in males. Hope these informations about endocrine systems and hormones as well as feedback regulation can be remembered, since they are very important for better understanding of many endocrine disorders. Thank you.